Hi, I'm Jen. I'm the treatment coordinator here. I used to work for a general dentist for 17 years until we moved here to Georgia. And I started here as a surgical assistant and recently have transitioned into the treatment coordinator. On the day of your appointment, you will first be greeted by our admin team, and then a surgical assistant will take you to the back where she does a series of x-rays. At the consult room, they'll go over your medical history pretty much in detail. Be honest, there's nothing we haven't heard before, so it's perfectly fine. And then the doctor will come in, he'll ask you a few questions. We want to make sure that we understand why you're here so we can best serve you. Not everyone has the same treatment plan, so there are several different options we can come up with for you. So make sure that you're pretty clear, like is it cosmetic, is it function? You know, let us know exactly what you want. He'll do a thorough exam, he'll discuss with you your different treatment options, and then we will go over your treatment costs. We definitely understand that the financial costs can be a barrier to some patients, but we offer some great financing options as far as like care credit or the lending club, because some of these procedures can be an investment and they're an investment in your overall health and confidence. These are life-changing procedures. I will always invite you back, maybe for a follow-up appointment or anything like that. That way, if you have any more questions, your spouse may have some questions, anything that you thought of when you got home and you were talking to your friends and family, we will be here to answer those questions for you. This procedure is so different than any other procedure. First, it is a permanent option. It provides people with confidence when they go out to eat with their friends and their family. They don't have to worry about a denture falling out. Also, they are able to eat whatever they would like. If you want to bite into a carrot, an apple, if you want to chew a steak, you can do that. So this procedure definitely changes people. You don't have to use any sticky adhesives. This is all done in one day. So it's amazing. I love hearing about the trips that people go on, about their family vacations, family reunions, just getting to know them personally on a better level. So we build that relationship, and the day of surgery, it is so amazing to see the difference in the confidence that this procedure gives to people. By far, this is the greatest part of the job, is watching people, how they change after this surgery. You see them come in fully confident, smiling. They just have a different presence about them. They're not shy and timid as they used to be. They look you in the eyes. I mean, it's just an amazing process. One thing about coming to Peachtree Oral and Facial is both oral surgeons are amazing. You are be in great hands with either surgeon, and the whole surgical staff, all the assistants, they are wonderful. They're excellent assistants, and they have plenty of education on how to take care of patients.